This is our new location. We are now at 1305 Poplar Drive in Waukesha, Wisconsin. I promised a video of our new location a long time ago, and finally getting around to it. We have some other businesses across the way from us. We're in a nice quiet location. Here we go into the warehouse. Here's our office doors. And here's our new office. This is Steve's office. This is Jill's office. Not usually that messy. Here's our kitchen area, bathroom, and this is Joel's office. Joel is our new service manager. He's here to help us build up our service department. Walking down the hallway, we have Jason's office and James's office. This is our conference room and Maureen's office. So that is a tour of our new offices.